Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately at the quest marker. You don't need extra wandering. Move in from the alley to minimize zombie aggro and keep your weapon readied for mid-range encounters. Once near the entrance, use a noise distraction to draw any clustered enemies away, then slide through the side door. Make sure to scan the interior for the first clue item on tables or shelves. Picking it up triggers the next objective and logs a new waypoint. Once you've triggered the middle objective, methodically check each room and use sound cues to find hidden clues. Audio will often signal interactables. Open drawers and cabinets for pieces of evidence. Record dates and names mentally or in your notes, since they unlock puzzle sequences later. When you encounter terminals, prioritize power switches and data logs. They reveal cabinet codes and reveal safe routes. Move steadily so objectives update. This reduces backtracking and prevents spawning tougher. To finish, use the codes you gathered to unlock the main terminal and retrieve the truth file. That action usually spawns a mini-boss or alarms. Decide. Fight deliberately with cover and explosives, or sneak the boss route if you're low on resources. If the final objective doesn't register, reload the last checkpoint or backtrack to the clue locations. Interactions sometimes fail to register, and repeating the pickup re-triggers the wait.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.